face your negative thoughts now. Your mental health, your depression, your anxiety, face them right now. Because what you resist persists. Alam niyo, everything is energy. Kapag pilit natin dinadodge ang something, it goes bigger than what we expect. And then, ayun yung nagtitrigger sa atin magkaroon ng panic attacks and everything kasi nga mag-explode na lang tayo. For example, river. It's the natural flow of the universe na umaagos siya, di ba? So if you put like for example a barricade or pader, pag hinarangan nyo siya, mapupuno yun, it will explode in such a chaotic way. So ganun din yung brains natin. So do not disrupt the natural flow of your brains, the mind, the universe. We have to address it right now. And kaya ko to sinasabi kasi nga sabi ko sa kabilang video ko, hindi dapat binibaby ang mental health. Sinasabi ko to kasi ayoko kayong magaya sa akin na inabot ng 1 year almost, and then sa ibang mga tao na hanggang ngayon hindi nila kayang malampasan kasi what you don't face, you don't get to address and you don't get to fix. And again, bago magsalita yung iba na kanya-kanya naman tayo ng mga pinagdadaanan, mas extreme, sabi ko nga sa inyo, if this won't apply to you because you are facing a much more extreme condition that needs more extensive care, then hindi ito yung video para sa'yo. Okay? But if you are facing anxiety, depression, and it's really causing you your peace, your happiness, your life, what I can suggest is, ngayon, tanongin nyo na agad, ano bang pinagmulan nitong anxiety na to? What is the fear all about? Kasi anxiety, it is a byproduct of fear. Ako, intense fear. May something ako na sobrang kinatatakutan na nangyari sa friend ko that I really applied into my life na everyday I question myself, reality, kung natatakot ako na baka mangyari sa akin yung nangyari sa kanya. And again, it's really hard, but you really have to do it. And itong videos na ginagawa ko, hindi tulad ng ibang mga videos that will validate your feelings. Oh, kasi ganito. No, I'm not here to do that because I want you to overcome and to have your breakthrough as fast as possible. I mean it. Kasi depression, anxiety, yung mga negative thoughts na yan, may pinagmulan yan eh. Yung iba man mas tragic, like mas traumatic compared sa iba. It's never an easy life. I've had a really tough life, losing my mother, facing anxiety. And sa anxiety, depression, ang kalaban niya madalas yan sarili nyo. Kasi alam ko may mga pangit kayo na karanasan, pero as you go on in life, ma-realize yun din naman na kayo na lang yung nag-iisip din eh. Kasi may mga kanya-kanyang buhay tayo, yung mga tao na mga nanloko sa inyo before, na nagparana sa inyo ng ganito, ganyan. May mga kanya-kanya din silang life. So if you keep on self-identifying with your thoughts, hindi kayo makaka-move forward sa problema nyo. Kasi nga, you should never self-identify with your mental health problems because that is something that you experience, something that you feel. That is not you. Your mental health problems don't determine who you are. Okay? And kahit hirap na hirap kayo, I know it's really painful battle, and it really takes time. May kanya-kanya tayong timelines. Ang ginawa ko noon, kaya proud din ako sa sarili ko, kahit dapan-dapa ako, pagkagising ko pa lang, I was really in a panic alert mode na hindi naman dapat, kasi nga our bodies and minds can only handle so much. Hindi ako tumigil maghanap ng ways to help myself. Kasi nga, the doctors, your family, friends can only do so much. It's really up to you when it comes to mental health problems. Hindi ako tumigil nun. Research ako ng research kahit ayaw ng katawan ko, kahit ayaw ng mind ko. Kasi nga, di ba, pagka dumadaan kayo sa mga mental health problems, talagang wala kayong gana, walang gana yung utak nyo, yung katawan nyo. Hindi ako tumigil. I kept on researching, I kept on watching YouTube videos every day and every night on how people are dealing with their own anxiety and their own extreme problems. So nanood ako ng mga iba't ibang tao sa buong mundo, kahit nagdadaan sila sa matinding problems nila, talagang they make a video to also spread awareness and to help. So ganun yung ginagawa ko din ngayon, di ba? I hope that the people who need this video will find this, and of course at the right time. In the future, mahanap nyo to. It's never too late. It's never too late to have your breakthrough. May mga natatanong ko, ako din hanggang ngayon nakaka-experience pa din ako I still do, but I know how to manage it. Alam ko na ang end game lang din naman ito magkaka-panic attack ako kasi what I'm thinking of is not even real. Yung fears ko are irrelevant and unnecessary na sa everyday life ko ay iisipin ko siya kasi hindi magpa-panic attack lang din naman ako. So ganun lang sabi ko, okay, so alam ko na yung kahihinatnan. I'm just gonna have a panic attack and so that's it. So hindi ko na pinatatagal. So nawawala na din siya ng kusa. So now I know how to manage my problems. So having the strength to overcome doesn't mean that your fears they will disappear. It's still there, but you know how to manage it better now. So gets nyo? And our brains, it has different functions. May amygdala tayo. Ayun yung favorite ko na part ng brain kasi talagang lagi niya akong binabad trip dahil magsasend siya sa akin sa buong katawan ko, sa utak ko na ng signal that I'm in danger. It's your mind's way of telling you that you are in danger. Pero if you use it in ways that are unnecessary, hindi na siya healthy dahil nga yung fears natin hindi naman talaga totoo na mangyayari. You're exhausting your amygdala to put you in a panic state kahit hindi naman dapat. So nadidrain din talaga yung energy nyo. And when I say that you are not your thoughts, we think of thousands, tens of thousands of thoughts per day. So hindi lahat yung totoo. Like mag-isip ako ng pangit niyan, hindi yung totoo. So you should know how to identify the real ones and the fake ones. Dito sa Soundmind series ko, I really just want you to achieve your breakthrough as fast as you can. Kaya I'm just saying this straight to the point. Hindi ko na kayo dadaanin sa matatamis sa salita kasi the people who truly care for you, they will tell you head on na ito dapat mong gawin para gumaling ka. And I really wish that I had that before when I was dealing with my mental health problems. I did, though, like my relatives tried. Talagang they were head on pero in a different way. Yung mga hindi kasi sila ganun ka-knowledgeable about mental health. So yung mga suggestion nila na galit, lalo ako nagkakaroon ng panic attack. Know which people you will seek advice from kasi they could either help you or break you. Ako nga sa kakahanap ko ng ways, I didn't even like think of it na it never crossed my mind that I'm gonna study neuroscience, but I really am passionate when it comes to human behavior, the mind psychology ever since. But neuroscience is on a different level and I really did it because I wanted to help myself. Ganun ako ka decidido. So sana ganun din kayo. And you, the one watching the video, this is a really great reminder that you are on the right path because you are watching this. You are trying to find ways on how to help yourself. Watch the rest of the videos that I do kasi ano yan dugtong-dugtong yan and it's not a just like a one video that can fix everything, but through these series of videos we can help each other grow. Healing journey, hanggang ngayon naman I'm still on that path. So again, kayo lang din yung kalaban nyo. Sarili nyo lang din. Madalas when it comes to anxiety, depression, and other mental health problems because you're the person that's putting the boundaries in your head, your limitations. So you have to find a way to manage those. Essential naman kasi na magkaroon ng fear na ay, pag sumama ako sa tao na to, baka mapahamak ako or pag sumakay ako dito, baka hala, hindi natin alam yung mangyayari. It's relevant to save you. But if your fears aren't relevant anymore and it's just causing you depression, stress, and more anxiety and panic, you should know what to allow and what to not allow. Okay, and always remember to acknowledge your thoughts. Acknowledge them because letting go of those thoughts and letting them pass is the cure. Kasi nga, hindi ka magkakaroon ng matinding anxiety and depression if you let them pass. Okay, it means na you are letting them stay and you are taking care of them, so don't. Kaya face your mental health problems right now because a sound mind is a happy mind and a peaceful mind.